Hi, I'm Us from Pavashot. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about one of our devices. This is the NPDD, which stands for Non-Pyro Diversionary Device. This is the first true non-pyro diversionary device in the world. So how this works is it's basically a pneumatic device. So right here in the center you have the NPDD body, which is the time delay part of this device. This is the retainable piece. You never discard this. You can reload this. You can refit and redeploy this in 25 seconds after it deploys. Down here you have a 3000 psi nitrogen gas canister, as well as the payload. Payload basically is like a small car airbag. The unique thing about this is you can actually change your payload out on the fly. So the payload I have right here in my hand today is our smoke payload. So this payload basically has white powder in here that does a really great job at obscuring vision after the deployment of the bang and shock wave that bangs 175 plus decibels when it goes off. So we're very close to the traditional pyrotechnic diversionary devices on the market today. A little grenade training tip: whenever you're handling any type of device that is a diversionary device, especially if it's pyro, always maintain the C grip. You never want to have your thumb on top of the spoon, because it could slip off. You're going to have an ND, an unwanted deployment. Now this works as a standard concussion grenade or any other grenade. You pull the pin, and then the spoon, when you release the spoon, this is what actually initiates the piston in this device. The piston then pierces the nitrogen gas canister, which goes through a 2.5 to about 3 second standard time delay, filling up this bag until it implodes. So we're gonna go ahead and deploy one of these right now. Fire in the hole. That's how you deploy a diversionary device. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.